Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer from Unionbank to GCash. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So transferring from your Unionbank to GCash is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the following steps for you to do so. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up the GCash mobile application. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on the cash in button that you see at the center of your screen. Now from here, choose the option that says online banks. And from here on, you need to search for Unionbank. Now in this case, I already have Unionbank here. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now on the next page, it's going to say or going to ask you a few details about yourself. But in this case, go ahead and just answer all those details which is required for you to connect your account. But once you've done that, and once you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is choose your account here. It's already chosen my account and enter the amount here. Now from here on, once you've done that, enter all those details, just click on next, and in the next page, it might send you an OTP and enter that to confirm the transaction and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.